Hey, does it look pretty good? Huh? Is that straight? Huh? Hey, I hope so. Hey, you're looking pretty good today too. 2018 January, Vito's Italian Cucina. I'm Vito, and I'm glad you're here today. Hey, guess what we're gonna do today? We're gonna do Vito's fancy bow tie pasta. We're gonna show you that in just a second, but first we're gonna take you around the horn and show you how we're gonna put it together. There's gonna be a little lemon in there. Yeah, come on, let's go. You're gonna love this. Right over here. Look at this. Look at this setup. Oh, beautiful. Right over here is some lemon, some nice lemon. That's first, right? And then we have some nice burro. That's some burro right there. We stir it up. There's some garlic in there, and some burro, some butter, and then we have some. This, you know what this is? This is capers. In the 1940s, we used to call capers a different thing, but now these are capers, and these are delicious. They're a real nice flavor. You're gonna love it. And I got a little bit of juice in there too. So then we're gonna come on over here to some red sun-dried tomatoes right there. And then we're gonna go over here to some piselli piccoli. Piselli piccoli, that means Italian for peas, and these are tiny peas. Look at them tiny peas. And then we have some here, you're gonna love this, Parmesan, nice shredded Parmesan. And of course we have the pomodoro, these red and yellow sliced cherry tomatoes. It's called a medley. Can you hear the music now? Yeah, and I think they're in tune. Yeah. So we're gonna move on over here to the salt and the pepper, the electronic salt and pepper. I love those things. And then right over here we have what we call this in Italian, it's called basilico. Basilico, that's sweet basil. Isn't that beautiful? And boy, wow, does that smell great. And then of course, right here, right in front of you, I talked about it earlier, Vito's fancy pasta bow tie. That's right, baby. And I'm gonna tell you something, which tie looks better? This one or the other one, huh? Which one? This one or this one? This one or this one? This one, that's right. I can't wait to get to this. You're gonna love it. So this is how simple this is. I showed you all the ingredients. We're all ready to go. And by the way, before I wanna get started, I wanna welcome Jimmy the Beak. Jimmy, you back there?
Back here.
He's back there. Jimmy the Beak's back on the show. We got a few guests here today. We have Narita, Natalie, Steven, right? And Teresa's with us today. She's one of our writers today, so I'm telling you, we're having a good time with this. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and put this together for you. The first thing up I'm gonna do is some lemon juice. Now, all of this stuff, you're gonna say, well, what's the measurement on that? Well, this is the measurement, and you use as much as you want. I like a lot of lemon, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put this in, we're gonna put the lemon in just like this, right like that. Then we're gonna come on over to the garlic and the butter, and in Italian, it's called burro. Burro, that's right, in Italian. It sounds like a donkey, doesn't it? That's what I think. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and put some of that right on top of there, just like so. Not all of it, just something like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna use the capers. You remember the capers? Hey, we're gonna go do a caper today, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. And we're gonna go ahead and put some capers in there. I like to use the juice from the capers too. We're gonna go ahead and put that in there just like that. And then we're gonna go with the red, sun-dried tomatoes, just like that. Put that in there just like that. Look how beautiful that's coming together. Then we got the piselli. That's right, we have the piselli. Here goes the piselli. Put that in there just like that. I like a lot of peas, just like this. And then we're gonna come over here to the Parmesan. I love the Parmesan. Look at this. Oh, you gotta love it. Anyway, put the Parmesan in there, just like this, like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna mix it up, Jimmy. But first, I'm gonna get the pepper. Put a little pep. Don't you love that electronic stuff? Huh? There we go. Whoop. There we go, a little salt. Not too much salt. Jimmy, I hear the medley. It's singing to me again.
I can hear it.
You hear it?
I hear it.
Huh? Pomodoro. Huh? Yeah, let me see. Didn't like that too much, but okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put this together like this now, and I'm gonna go ahead and mix it. You wanna come on in here and watch me mix this, bud? Here we go. Put this together. It's just simple. Oh my God! Look how beautiful that looks. Man, it does look good too, I'll tell you that. And then, what I'm gonna do, it's all finished, and there it is right there. And then what we're gonna do right now, So I'm going to put this on a nice pretty plate for you, and then you get ready to serve this. This is a wonderful, wonderful dish. You're going to love it, and it's so delicious. Look at this. Well, that's the show for today. Vito's Italian bow tie pasta. It's a fancy thing here at the Cucina, and we hope that you do it at your home. Your friends, your relatives, even people you don't know. Bring them in. They'll eat you out of house and home. Remember, vitositaliancucina.com. That's where you go. And remember, I'm also on YouTube. So it's youtube.com/Veets. Come visit us and subscribe. Please subscribe. We sure can use your help. Ciao for now. Arrivederci. Yeah, baby.